equal, right,
Equal.
len, press tab, select the cell A8. Yes, it will tell you know that how many length of you have, means how many digits or characters you have in a single cell, and you can drag it down and found characters over there. Very good. Now you let, if I ask you to please get the length of the column E, how you will get it? All
For
the
which
cells in the
one?
column. For column E,
Hold on, I'm gonna write down that.
for E8, E9, E10.
Okay. So you want me to find how much in this? This one?
E for elephant.
E for elephant.
Yes.
What do you want me to find?
I want to find the length of this.
Okay.
In
So
the, apply here in the cell. Yes. Apply here.
equal length. No, no. What would it be?
Len, len,
Len.
len, tab, not
Do
length.
you, okay. All of it?
No, you will just pick the single, then drag it down. Okay, that's great. Then drop it down. Very good. Let me share my. Regan, are you with us?
Yes, I'm following along.
You are doing practice in your MacBook or not?
Yes, I am.
You need to do. Okay, let me share my screen so that we move into the next phase. Okay, if you see, we just got the concept of len function as well. Len function. Len means it will give you the length of digits in a single cell. Digits or characters, you can say that. And if we see the trim, means I remove 4 extra spaces from this. Here you can see 18 characters. Here the name is same, Ghulam Mustafa.
Echo.
Here is 14 characters.
What are you playing?
Means, are you there?
Yes, I'm here. Sorry.
Okay. Here you can see there are 14 characters, and here is 18 characters. Though the name is same, but what are the 4 digits there? Because there were extra spaces, and we can see there. If I remove the 4 spaces, 1, 2, 3, 4, it will give me the same answer. Means I can reduce as many as spaces, extra spaces, by using the trim function. Okay. Now let's see if you get this data, and I want to copy this and paste into there. Copy and paste it here, but I did not get the copy paste. Why? Nicole, you got my point? I'm trying to copy. Let's see how. Select the data, copy and paste it here. You can see that I am not getting the right answer. Why? Let me copy it again. If I copy from there, select the cell, copy, or use the shortcut that is Control C and paste it here, or paste it here. It is giving me the right answer. But if I copy from there, copy, and paste it in there, it is not giving. But now it is fine. Why? Let's say if I copy from there and paste it here, it is not giving me the right answer. Why? What is the issue?
I'm not sure.
Regan, can you explain what is the issue?
I have no clue.
Very simple. You can see here there is a formula. There is a formula. Whenever I copy the cells, basically it copy the formula from these cells like this. You can see here there is a formula, because this there was no dollar sign. As I copy from there, automatically it keep the cells again and again. You can see there, you can see there. Means there is a formula. If you press the tab, you can see that there is a formula over there. but on actual there was no data. Let's see if I copy the data here. Now you can see I get my desired answer. For that purpose, whenever you want to copy the cell that contain formulas, you will copy it, copy, then go to the paste, down arrow. There are multiple options over there. Simple paste, paste formulas, paste keep formatting, paste values. And now you can see formula have been removed from these cells. You can see in the formula bar, there is no formula now. There is no formula. There is no formula. Like means if you want to copy any data, if that contains formulas, then you can't simple copy and paste. For that purpose, you will go there and there are multiple options, and paste as values is the best option to remove, to get rid of that formulas. Got my point? Okay.
Okay.
Okay. And Nicole, fine.
Yes.
Okay, means I can copy and paste my formulas, like paste my data like this. Meanwhile, you can copy it and paste here as a picture. Now this is a picture. You can cut and paste into anywhere and send to anyone. Let's see if I paste it here. This is my picture. Likewise, if you go there, let's see if I copy this data, copy, and simple you can paste as a link picture as well. Link picture means although this is a picture, we will get lunch break. Definitely, Nicole, we will get lunch break.
Thank you.
If you see, this is the picture, but this is a link picture. Link picture means if I change the month name, let's say December, you can see the magic over there. Although this is the picture, but the data is being updated. If I change my data over there, let's see if I change it, control enter, you can see data has been updated easily. If I change into the number formatting to a different formatting, control 1, I can change the currency, let's say. Now you can see data is being updated easily. If I want to change the color, color will be applied here. Means whenever you want to copy the data, it's up to you that you want to copy as a formatting or a simple data, or you want to simple paste the formatting, paste the picture, link picture, etc. Clear?
Yeah, makes sense.
Nicole, can you do this for me? Then we will give the lunch break. Right now, there is a right now you are in 12 p.m. Okay.
Yeah.
Nicole, can you share your screen again?
Yeah.
Because I want you to do practice with me about the paste special options.
Okay. Hold on. Let's see. I guess it's going to tell me that it's going to share.
I would request to Regden to do the practice in your laptop as well. And if you want to share your screen, let me know. I will allow to you.
Okay. So, all right. What do I need to do?
You
Tell me
need
where
to
to
copy. Let's say copy this data and paste. No, copy. Control C. Yes, this is the copy. Copy.
And then
paste anywhere in that worksheet. Very good. Now copy the data from D, from column D, not A.
column B.
D for duck.
Delta. Do you just want me to do this one, right? Like just this?
Just only select the data, copy and paste into any other cell.
Whoop. Where did it go?
Where did it go? This was the question. You can see in the formula bar, still the cell are being copied, but why not you get the answer? Regan, can you explain? Where did they go?
Well, because you pasted it without using the formulas, so you're gonna have to go back, and when you paste it, you have to use the formulas. So go back to copying everything.
Okay.
And then copy it, and then go down to the little arrow underneath paste.
Arrow underneath paste.
Yeah. And then you could click one of those.
No. First select the cell. No. First select the position where you want to paste, then apply.
Okay. And then do that.
Select the cell. Okay, now do that. And
Yeah.
there is an option called paste as values in the middle of the left. Paste as values where you can see 1, 2, 3. No. Bottom. In the third row. In the third row and first column. Paste as values. No. Values. This is the link picture.
No.
This is picture. This is simple link. This is formatting. Means you can paste your formatting. No.
Paste link.
Don't press. I want to get the values. Above. That is in the option.
Uh-huh.
No.
Mm-hmm.
Paste as values. In the middle. In the third row. Left side. In the middle. Left side. Go up. Yes. This one. This is values. Means from this you will remove all kind of formulas and data will be moved here.
Okay.
Okay, that's great. That's great. Now
Yeah.
you can paste as a picture and then paste as a link picture. Paste as a picture. No. Paste as a
Okay.
picture.
All right. I'm gonna do
What
this
is the
one.
difference between picture and the link picture?
One is a picture of the what you copied, and then one is the link to the picture.
So if
Means
you
whenever you edit your data, the picture will be updated automatically.
yes.
Okay. Do you want me to do this as a picture?
Yes.
Okay.
Very good.
And then
You didn't copy.
yeah, I did.
Oh.
I did Control C.
Link. Now you can change your data. Your link picture will be updated. Yes, this is link picture. Very good.
See, like this one shows where it's at.
That's great.
And
Now
this one doesn't.
it's up to you. Sometimes it basically whenever I do email, I usually copy my data and then paste as picture. Then I send that picture to others so that they don't edit my numbers or edit my email. This is a good example for it. As you can copy and paste as a picture, then send that picture to email anyone, and it will be great that they just can see your data, but they can't edit your data. Got my point? Okay.
Okay.
Now I guess we should take a lunch break of 1 hour.
Okay.
And after lunch break, I would like to give you a short assignment. Would you do that? Short assignment means you will simply write all the concepts, whatever we have learned so far. I want to see how much concepts you retain. Start from the very basic, let's say control function, shift function, how to rename the worksheets, what is the difference between worksheet and the workbook, quick access toolbar, formula bar, name box, blah, etc. Means as much as maximum concepts you just gone through in our first session, in the first half, just write it down. Basically the benefit of that, it will keep and record with you, and even after this training you can get the reference from this file as well. Okay. 1 hour is for lunch break and half an hour is for data assignment. Then we will come at 1:30 p.m. Fine.
Yes.
Okay.
1:30 p.m. We have total, although we have 8 minutes having passed, you have around 80 minutes. 80 minutes would be fine. 60 minutes is your lunch break, and 20 minutes is for that assignment. Okay.
Okay.
Let's join at 1:30 p.m.
Alrighty.
Okay, that's it.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.